Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to make a veg biryani. In this dish, I'm going to use nice fresh vegetables, rice, saffron and some spices. These spices is very healthy for our diet and our immune system. ORAC. These spices got a higher percentage of the ORAC. I will leave more detail in description. So let's get started. Now we're going to marinate this beautiful and colorful vegetable. So I'm adding yogurt, some tomato paste, some ghee, garlic and ginger paste, some saffron, fennel seeds powder, pinch of cardamom powder, some turmeric powder, chili powder according to your taste, cumin and coriander powder, and some salt also according to your taste. We're not going to add too much because we're also going to add some salt in a rice too. Now I'm going to rub yogurt, all spices, garlic and ginger paste thoroughly in this vegetable. I marinate these vegetables and I'm going to put it in a side for a minute. And now I'm going to fry these onions. While this onion is frying, let's we start preparation for rice. Let's we cook this rice. This rice is I soaked for last 1 hour, and also I'm going to add these spices and salt. So some cardamom, black pepper, clove, bay leaf, and some salt. We're going to cook this rice in a water for 70% because we're going to recook again with curry. While rice is boiling, let's we make saffron milk. So I'm adding some saffron, and some fresh chili, but look, it's totally optional. If you want extra mild, then you don't have to use this chili. I'm adding some ghee. Now I'm adding milk, I will let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding salt, not too much because we already add in a rice, and also when we marinate vegetable we also add some salt too. This saffron milk is ready, so I'm going to turn off gas and I'm going to keep it in a one side. This onion is a nice golden brown color, so that means it's ready. This excess oil we're going to use when we recook rice and curry. So this oil is very useful. It will give nice flavor in a biryani. This rice is 70% ready, and now I'm going to remove water. In this hot pan, I'm adding this oil, which is I fried onion earlier. Now I'm adding all whole spices. Now I'm going to add all vegetables. Also, I'm going to add this fried onion, half of it, and half I'm going to keep it for reuse again. We're going to cook this vegetable 60%, and the rest we're going to recook again with rice. Now I'm going to add little bit of water. I'm adding these peas in this curry. If you have a fresh peas, you can add with vegetables while you marinating, but because I have a frozen peas and I don't want to mash them, I want to keep it nice, a whole one, so that's why I add very last, because it's a frozen one. But if you have a fresh, you can marinate with vegetable. This mixed vegetable curry is ready. Now we're going to do final step. Everything is ready. Saffron milk, nice fresh mint, rice is cooked nicely, fried onion and curry. So now we're going to make layer of rice, curry and all other ingredient as well. So first layer I'm going to make with this curry. It looks so yummy and its beautiful aroma makes me hungry. Now I'm going to make one layer of with rice. So I'm going to cover this curry with this rice. Now I'm going to add some fresh mint and some fried onion and saffron milk. Now I'm going to make one more layer with curry. Again, one more layer with rice. So I'm trying to cover all vegetable with the rice, so it's gonna be nice layers. Right on the top, nice fresh mint, some nice fried onion, and saffron milk. Now I'm going to cover with a foil and I'm going to cook in oven at 200 degree for 20 minutes. But look, if you're using a stove top, also it's apply same thing. You can keep in a low heat for 20 minutes. This beautiful biryani is ready. Look at this beautiful rice and vegetables all cooked properly, and I can't wait to try. And this beautiful aroma makes me hungry. This restaurant style yummy and beautiful veg biryani is ready. If you like this dish and recipe and video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. They can enjoy this dish and I can't wait to try. Honestly, I can't wait to try. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Very nice.